It was nice to kind of have someone actually come in and talk about wellness.
So another question, what is wellness? It literally is everything that you said. It's the act of practicing healthy habits on a daily basis to attain better physical and mental outcomes so that instead of surviving, you're thriving.
He said that we are the lighthouse of our own life and that we can uplift ourselves and just see the positive side of everything if we choose to.
It's like a breath of fresh air, which is a lot of what we need, especially on a Friday evening around 3 p.m.
And I want you to just be open and get this experience and just know that when you leave, you're going to be better for it.
It gave me a chance to have actionable items to, go through. Like I took notes, they gave us notebooks and we got to color. So
a lot of you, and sometimes you're like, oh, is the work that I'm doing even really making a difference? Continue to be that ripple in people's lives.
If you've never heard of Zob, you can expect someone that is here that is very knowledgeable.
it was engaging, but also self-reflective.
Enthusiasm, you can expect passion, a welcoming spirit.
Again, I said he keeps the vibes high, he really does. He does a great job presenting. Coming from somebody that PowerPoints are key here, he did a really good job.
Come on, bro, come on, come on.